There's videos and pictures, people posting that Kaylan is awake and talking. Kaylan cannot be talking if she is unconscious. So that's a no-no. If you did not hear a report from me, then do not run with it, please. I would like the rumors to stop. If you did not hear it from my page, it did not happen. Whatever update is to be given on Kaylan, if it is not on my page or I did not do a live about it, then it is not true. You know, it is sad that people can take a situation as serious as this and try and spin it for views, and spin it for fame and likes. Please be respectful of her privacy and our feelings, because remember, we are all human beings and we all have feelings, and it is hurtful when people circulate false information, right, about someone who cannot defend themselves, someone who cannot speak for themselves. I'm her mother. I'm the one who visits her on a daily basis. I'm the one who spends time with her every day. And I'm the one who speaks to the doctors, nobody else but me. So if you have not heard it from me, and if you don't see me post anything on my page in regards to her doing anything new, then it is not so.